So what type of pants are you going to be wearing as a druid this Halloween? What I recommend are any basic pants. You have to consider, is it going to be super warm? If it's going to be super warm, shorts may be in order. But if you're in a more temperate climate or a colder one, definitely consider longer-legged pants. Now you have to be careful. Some pant fashions like to bunch up down towards the ankle or also spill over to the top of the foot. That's not the type of pant you want for this occasion. You want a pant that basically goes down to right about the ankle and then stops. This is so it's not going to be pointing out of your eventual costume, and what would be worse, you do not want to trip. Any of these type of longer pants could actually be a tripping hazard because we may not necessarily be wearing traditional shoes along with the rest of our costume. So yes, it's okay to wear pants underneath your costume. That's fine. If it's warm, consider wearing shorts. That's better yet if you can do it, so long as you won't be cold. But what you don't want your pants hanging way down, sticking out, poking out from underneath your costume. So you want to make sure they don't go down that far beyond your ankle, which is about the line of where your costume is going to reach.